So Jackson buys a grape snow cone on a hot day. By the time he eats the snow off the top, the paper cone is filled with 27 pi cubic centimeters of melted purple liquid. The radius of the cone is 3 centimeters. So let's kind of model that with a picture. So here's my cone. It looks like it's upside down because remember the top is filled with ice. By the time he eats all the snow off the top, so he's going to eat all of the snow over here. Inside of the cone, the paper cone, is filled with 27 pi cubic centimeters of melted purple liquid. Okay, the radius of the cone is 3 centimeters. I'm actually gonna erase the snow on top of there because, well, he ate it. And the radius is 3 centimeters. What is the height of the cone? So that's the height of the cone. What is the height of the cone? Enter an exact answer in terms of pi. So when you tell you to enter an exact answer in terms of pi, you have to leave pi in your answer. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. And all we have to do is substitute all of the numbers that they gave us into the equation. So this is your volume. So that goes in right here. This 3 is your radius. That goes in right there. So let's actually do that. So 27 pi is equal to 1/3 pi 3 square times the height. Now remember, the height is the only variable here. That's what we're trying to find. So let's see. 3 squared is 9. And what's 1/3 of 9? So I'm looking at this 1/3, and this is really the number 9. So that's really 9 divided by 3, which is just 3. So 27 pi is equal to 3 pi h. And we could divide both sides by 3 pi. And the 3 pi divided by 3 pi is 1. So you remember 1h is equal to, now 27 divided by 3 is 9. Pi divided by pi is 1. So this is really just 9 times 1, but 9 times 1 is just 9. So we kind of leave that out. So the height of the cone is 9 centimeters. The only problem I have with this is that they never said if, when he eats the top off, if the whole cone, inside of the whole cone was filled to the top. But I'm assuming that that's what it means.